morning everyone, I am Barkha
And I'm Shamik.
and we are pleased to introduce you Smooth Operations, our Atlassian Forge app built to reduce context switching, Jira vulnerabilities and bring intelligence to your Jira workflow. We'll now give you a walkthrough across our 4 modules of the project. Let's start with the Overview tab. This is your project at a glance, the work items heat map. Instead of wading through a long list of backlogs, you see an interactive color-coded grid of every work item. Blue is your current work item, green means done, orange means an item is nearing its deadline, and red means it's already overdue. But the real power is the immediate visual feedback. As you can see, the card design is compact, and with one click you can get any URL of the Jira you want. Also, we have a smart filtering system which uses keyword optimization. By entering the keyword, you can identify whether a Jira has been created or not.
Let's jump right into the Analytics module, where we turn raw data into actionable insights, ensuring complete privacy and control. We start with a quick summary. This provides an immediate readout of the issue overview, status, priority, and timeline, all the essential context in one place, automatically extracted the due date management card. If the issue has no due date assigned, you get the proactive Add Due Date button, which you can click and just add from the panel itself. Also, the card transforms to a modified due date or a extend due date button based on the time left to complete the work item. We also provide a critical notify user option, allowing the user to send a quick notification with the default templates, as you can see, which are customizable. This streamlines the risk actions without leaving the screen. Right next to that is our risk card. This quickly flags potential issues like access control or unusual activity or sensitive data breach. Below that, you can see there are subtask progress bar wherever there is subtask present, which dynamically appears and gives you a quick visual of the nested task completion. Finally, we focus on engagement. Our last activity metric instantly shows when this issue was last touched. We then calculate the activity score and display the activity level bar, which tells you that the issue is stale or if the team is actively collaborating, allowing you to instantly identify and mitigate the stall work. So on clicking Fix button for detected risk under the Analytics tab, we are then moved directly to the Vulnerability tab for a detailed view. This tab automatically scans all issue, content, summary, description, and comments for sensitive data like API keys, passwords, and secrets. When a vulnerability is found, we don't just alert you, we give you immediate one-click solution, using the Fix button to hash and protect the content, or Remove button to delete it completely. Small Operations is constantly protecting you from accidental security risks.
Now let's look at the future of searching with the Smart Search tab. Our default Smart Search mode is truly context aware. It uses the content of your current issue, the summary, the project, the domain terms to automatically enhance and optimize your search query using keyword optimization. This is real-time context-aware assistance without any reliance on external AI services. The search is in a single pane of discovery where you can do in-context search and out-of-context search. The out-of-context search is the normal web search, and the in-context search helps you search within the context of your Jira.